Good day, everybody. I'm forecaster Mark Spencer from NeoWeather.com with your forecast for Thursday, April 11th, 2013. Well, much the same as yesterday in the temperature department, cooler north and warmer south. We'll have some showers and storms and also some heavy rainfall. And we have a cool, rainy weekend ahead. Get all the details and more starting right now. We have some rain on the NeoWeather 3D Max Doppler radar this morning, generally from just west of Cleveland and then down along the I-71 corridor to Mansfield and Columbus. And the edge of that rain is actually just to the west of Port Clinton right now. This is moving off to the east-northeast, so we'll all see some rain this morning. It is diminishing, however, as it moves off to the east-northeast. So the rain will probably not be as heavy as it gets east of Cleveland as it is right now. We have lots of cloud cover out there. We have some fog this morning to the east of this rain, so definitely be careful if you're driving. You may hit a valley area where you have some dense fog. You'll want to be careful for that. We also have this frontal boundary we've been dealing with that for the past couple of days here. It's being shown as a cold front, if you will. We think this is actually going to come back north as a warm front. The question is, how far north will it get? I'm thinking it's pretty much going to set up almost where it did yesterday. Maybe just slightly to the south. Again, if you're to the north of there along the lake shore, you're going to be cooler. If you're south, you're going to be warmer. And we'll have to keep a very close eye on where this front does set up, because that's going to basically mean where the heavier rain ends up being, because it's going to follow that front. So we'll have to keep a very close eye on that. It's also going to affect our high temperature today. We do have more rain coming. Our high yesterday was 67 degrees, although a few places in the southern part of the area got much warmer than that. The low was 41. Our average high is 57, the average low 39. Our record high 82, the record low 22. We had 1.16 inches of rain at Cleveland Hopkins for yesterday. We're at 7.5 inches for the month. Sunrise is at 6:53 a.m. and sunsets at 8:03 p.m. Also, we do have some flood watches and some warnings out there. The flood warnings are in the bright green, the flood watches in the dark green. Much of these run through this evening. I wouldn't be surprised to see these extended, though. We do have more rain coming. We'll see that in the forecast in just a moment. I also would not be surprised to see additional counties added to the watches, or maybe a few new warnings pop up as well. Just remember, turn around, don't drown. If you run across a roadway that has water running over it, find another way around that. There's no way of telling how deep that water is going to be. And right now, the water will run quickly across the roadways. If we get a lot of rain at once, we could have some flash flooding issues as well. So remember, turn around, don't drown. Alright, our forecast for today, it's a really tricky forecast. You can pretty much ignore some storms being strong or severe. We may see an isolated strong storm. That would be about it in the southern part of the area. It will be cooler near the lake, though. I'm going with a high of 68 degrees today. It's highly debated only because of the cloud cover and the morning fog this morning we had as well. We'll start the morning off at 8 a.m. right around 43 degrees. Some scattered showers, maybe a thunderstorm in there as well. By 11 a.m. we're up to about 51 with scattered thunderstorms, much the same at 2 p.m. and 66. And by 5 p.m. up to about 68 with scattered thunderstorms around the area. Again, not everybody's going to see them all at once. It's going to kind of come through in waves, so it's something that it's here or there depending on where you're at. Again, also want to stress, cooler near the lake shore. You're going to struggle probably to hit 50 today right along the lake, much like yesterday. Overnight tonight, temperatures drop to in the low 50s. The low pressure system approaches the area and actually brings some warm air in just ahead of it and keep the temperatures warmer just a little bit longer. Winds will be out of the south, then change to the west behind the front at about 10 to 18 miles per hour. And as you see, temperatures slowly drop through the evening. Thunderstorms through about midnight. After that, just mainly rain showers through the rest of the overnight hours. Taking a look at the next 7 days, a bit of an unsettled pattern here. It was also kind of difficult trying to put this together too, because it was such a change from yesterday's forecast. Scattered showers on Friday. That 54, that's early in the morning. Otherwise, temperatures fall through the 40s through the day. Some scattered showers, a good bet on Saturday as well. Only 40 for a high, a pretty chilly, raw day on Saturday. Sunday will be a better day, 56 with just some scattered showers around primarily in the morning. Otherwise, I think we'll kind of clear out just a little bit. Monday, I think we'll start out with partly cloudy skies. Clouds increase through the day, though, 66 ahead of another system that will approach us on Tuesday with some scattered showers and storms. We'll do about 66 on Tuesday as well. Showers and storms also possible on Wednesday ahead of another cold front, a high of 69, and then for late next week we kind of look to see the same pattern again with temperatures cooling down into the mid 40s to low 50s for next weekend. I'm forecaster Mark Spencer. Thank you for watching. Stay up to date with the latest weather at neoweather.com. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. neoweather.com, Ohio's home for weather.